Welcome to Young Founders Club. Dreaming of starting your own business but unsure where to begin? Whether you're fresh out of college or tired of your 9-to-5, 2025 is the year to make it happen. Starting a business might seem overwhelming, but we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through starting your own business in 2025. From ideas to launch, we'll explore steps, tools, and resources to turn your dreams into reality. Stick around for affiliate links to tools that can help you get started. Let's dive in. Every great business starts with a great idea. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're skilled at, and what problems you can solve. Ask yourself, what are your hobbies or interests? Is there a demand for the product or service you're offering? Can your idea stand out in the current market? Use platforms like Answer the Public or Jasper AI to brainstorm business ideas and understand what people are searching for. These tools help you identify market gaps and validate your concept. Before diving in, research your market thoroughly. Understand your target audience, analyze your competitors, and identify trends in your chosen industry. Knowing your market gives you an edge and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Key questions to answer. Who is your ideal customer? What problems do they face? And how can your product or service solve them? Who are your competitors and what sets you apart? Use CMrush or BuzzSumo to conduct competitive analysis and understand your industry trends. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. It helps you outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Here's what your business plan should include: executive summary, market analysis, product service description, marketing and sales strategies, financial projections. Use LivePlan, a user-friendly platform that guides you step by step in creating a professional business plan. Now it's time to make things official. Choose a business structure such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and register your business with the relevant authorities. Don't forget to obtain any licenses or permits needed to operate in your niche. Platforms like Zen Business or LegalZoom make business registration and paperwork hassle-free. Most businesses need some funding to get started. You can explore various funding options, including bootstrapping, small business loans, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, and investors. Check out Lendio, which connects entrepreneurs with funding options tailored to their needs. Your brand is what makes your business memorable. Create a professional logo, choose a brand color palette, and develop a consistent tone for your messaging. Use Canva Pro for designing professional-looking logos, social media posts, and marketing materials without needing design skills. In 2025, having an online presence is non-negotiable. Create a website and set up social media accounts to reach your audience. Optimize your website for SEO and ensure it's mobile-friendly. Use Squarespace or Shopify to build your website quickly and integrate SEO tools like Yoast to boost search rankings. Now that you've set everything up, it's time to spread the word. Focus on a mix of marketing strategies, including social media marketing, email campaigns, paid ads, and content marketing. Use HubSpot for email marketing and CRM management or Hootsuite for scheduling and managing social media campaigns. Your customers are the backbone of your business. Make sure to provide excellent customer service, respond to inquiries promptly, and always exceed customer expectations. Platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk can help you manage customer support efficiently. The key to long-term success is consistent growth and improvement. Track your business metrics, evaluate your strategies, and be open to making changes as needed. Always stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in your industry. Use tools like QuickBooks for financial tracking and Asana for project management. Starting your own business in 2025 may seem challenging, but with the right plan and tools, it's achievable. From brainstorming your idea to scaling your business, this guide has covered the essential steps. Remember, entrepreneurship requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Stay committed, and the rewards are limitless. Like this video to support our channel. Subscribe for more business tips and guides. Drop a comment below and let us know your business plans for 2025.